Introduction: Climate, Geography, and Architectural Design. Climate and geography play crucial roles in shaping architectural design, influencing everything from building materials to structural elements. Understanding these factors helps create structures that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. Adapting to climate. Hot and arid climates. In hot and arid climates, such as deserts, architectural design focuses on cooling and heat resistance. Buildings often feature thick walls, small windows, and overhangs to minimize heat gain. The use of natural ventilation and shading devices, like pergolas and external shutters, helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Traditional materials such as adobe and rammed earth are commonly used for their thermal mass properties, which help regulate indoor temperatures. Cold climates. In cold climates, buildings are designed to retain heat and withstand harsh weather conditions. Insulation is a key feature, with thick walls, double-glazed windows, and well-sealed doors to minimize heat loss. Roof designs often include steep pitches to prevent snow accumulation, and materials such as timber and stone are used for their insulating properties. The incorporation of passive solar design helps capture and retain solar energy, further improving energy efficiency. Influence of geography. Coastal areas. Buildings in coastal areas must address challenges such as high humidity, salt exposure, and potential flooding. Coastal architecture often includes elevated foundations to protect against storm surges and floodwaters. Materials are selected for their resistance to corrosion and moisture, such as treated wood, concrete, and synthetic finishes. Large, overhanging eaves and hurricane-resistant windows are also common features to protect against wind and rain. Mountainous regions. In mountainous regions, architectural design takes into account steep terrain, snow load, and varying temperatures. Buildings are often designed with steep roofs to handle snow accumulation and minimize snow load on structures. The use of local materials, such as stone and timber, helps the building blend with the natural landscape and provides insulation against temperature fluctuations. Additionally, terracing and foundation techniques are used to adapt to uneven ground and prevent erosion. Regional materials and techniques. Local materials. The availability of local materials greatly influences architectural design. In tropical regions, bamboo and thatch are commonly used due to their sustainability and availability. In temperate regions, brick and wood are popular for their insulating properties and aesthetic appeal. Using local materials not only supports the local economy but also ensures that buildings are well suited to their environmental conditions. Traditional techniques. Traditional building techniques often reflect a deep understanding of local climate and geography. For example, in Mediterranean regions, the use of courtyards and thick walls helps regulate indoor temperatures. In Scandinavian countries, the design of saunas and thermal baths is adapted to cold climates, emphasizing warmth and relaxation. These techniques provide valuable insights into how architecture can harmonize with its surroundings. Sustainable practices. Passive design strategies. Climate and geography influence the adoption of passive design strategies, which aim to reduce energy consumption and enhance comfort. Techniques such as passive solar heating, natural ventilation, and daylighting are integrated into designs based on local climate conditions. By leveraging natural resources, these strategies contribute to energy efficiency and sustainability. Adaptation to climate change. As climate change impacts become more pronounced, architectural design increasingly incorporates resilience measures to address extreme weather events and rising sea levels. This includes elevating structures, using durable and climate-resistant materials, and designing for flexibility to accommodate future changes in climate conditions. Conclusion: the impact of climate and geography on architecture. Climate and geography profoundly influence architectural design, dictating how buildings respond to environmental conditions and how they utilize local resources. By adapting to climate extremes and geographic features, architects create structures that are functional, sustainable, and harmonious with their surroundings. Understanding these influences is essential for designing buildings that meet both the needs of occupants and the challenges posed by the environment.